Michelle.
And we are Adventures Ahead. And today we have another treat box unboxing. Now, this was actually postponed and late because of what's going on in the world.
Yeah.
So,
but it wasn't that late.
Let's look at this one.
Ew, what's all over your knife?
It's like deer hair and molecules.
Stop. Stop, you use that.
Oh.
So Josh doubles these boxes he sells on eBay too.
Yeah, so I'll package something in these and send them out for eBay. Oh, looks like we got Belize or Brazil or something.
What's this? Well, we'll know by the time you comment. Brazil? I don't know what that is.
I think it's Belize.
Unbelievable.
Brazil. Sorry.
All right. Look at this. Welcome to Brazil.
It's sticky in here.
It's sticky. Ew. The 5th largest country in the world, both by land area and population. Brazil is the only country in South America that does not speak Spanish, and it's also the country with the largest Roman Catholic population in the world.
That's why it has a Jesus statue.
Yeah,
there.
I know, that's too.
So this is
soccer crazy.
Soccer. So this is the recipe. It's called Canjicas, Brazilian chicken croquettes.
Croquettes.
Oh. Pause it and you can make that recipe. This is Explore Brazil. Brazilian facts. Population 200 and I don't know how to read that.
207,353,391 people.
Oh, and our dog's not here to have a good time with us.
Oh no, that's okay. We usually give her something.
Ooh, I see some things that are...
Brazil shares a border with all South American countries except Chile and Ecuador.
Wow.
Sugar Loaf Mountain in Rio de Janeiro is a volcanic plug.
Whoa, I don't know where I'm going to go when the volcano blows. Okay, with clue for next month, but we're going to save it.
Oh, they do have a clue?
Yep.
They haven't the last couple times.
So this is the first one. Alaca Brancho. Laca Brancho.
Well, what do they
creamy
speak if
white
they don't
chocolate
speak Spanish?
And an irresistible taste. Experience the smooth chocolate texture while it melts in your mouth. Nothing beats this classic.
Ew.
I like white chocolate.
White chocolate.
I like that.
It's not even real chocolate.
Get over here. Okay. Smells really good. Shell?
Thank you.
Oh, I like white chocolate.
I prefer dark or like regular chocolate. It's all right.
See, I like white chocolate. That's good. I think this might be nasty.
Okay. Let me read it since you're still chewing.
Banana Hana. Naturally light, healthy, and tasty snack made from overripe bananas.
Wow.
These overripe bananas are mixed with sugar to create a highly nutritional snack. Made especially for those who like to have a healthy food at any time of the day, every day. Oh, God.
How is it healthy if you mix it with sugar?
That was a big bite.
It's really mushy.
It's not that bad. Smells like hell.
It got a lot of sugar in it. Tastes like soft banana chips. Don't you think? The texture or what?
That one's a bull.
That wouldn't be my first choice.
Nope.
It's also not very appetizing. I mean...
Let's go next to these.
What's that? Yo, Ketos. They look like corn nuggets.
Conchitas.
They look like ham?
Dough. A tasty snack for hours of fun. Well, not if Shell had that bag. That bag ain't gonna last
hours. Minutes.
Made with premium ingredients that guarantee the crispiness and deliciousness of this unique ham flavor.
Ugh.
The flavor and smell shape make the snack more enjoyable. So it's like a...
Ham.
Definitely smell the ham. You can
Ugh,
smell the
they
ham.
don't smell good.
Oh,
You like them?
mm-hmm.
I don't.
Oh, it smells just like a ham.
Wait, I can't smell that. Are you serious?
Mmm.
I don't think it smells good. Huh. It's weird that they have a picture of an alligator on here and it's ham.
Well, I have a ham right here.
Yeah, but is it because the alligator's eating a pig?
I guess so.
Oh, coconut.
This is by Nestle.
Well, we know Nestle.
Progestigo Bronco. Prestigos are chocolate bars filled with coconut. The chocolate is creamy and the coconut filling isn't too sweet. Together, they come together from a delicious and unique flavor of chocolate and coconut blended together.
White chocolate again. Just take a bite.
So, I guess over in Brazil, white chocolate is pretty popular.
I don't like it. You do? That's good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like coconut that much.
Right. I like that. Yep. See, I'd rather have this than dark chocolate any day. I don't like dark chocolate.
Oh. There's only one thing in here left?
Mm-hmm.
Man. No golden ticket? Oh, they stopped that.
Yeah. Next is Passion.
Passion.
Passion is a chocolate-filled wafer treat with a passionate following in Brazil. Crunchier in texture with a delicious chocolate filling. It's delicious as is, but also recommend putting in the fridge or freezer and trying it cold. Well, ours are
square?
like nuts.
You want a whole square?
No, I'll take a couple bites and you can.
Nah, I'll have my own. You son of a gun.
Mmm. I like that. Do you?
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
This was not my favorite box. I know this is one of your favorites.
I liked it. Okay, so what was your favorite thing in the
Well,
box?
don't they have this thing on the back that we do now?
What? Oh,
Best, worst, weirdest.
what's the best one?
This one.
Best one to me was this white chocolate right here, the Lacta. I really like that. I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat the rest of it. This right here, best one. Worst one,
Banana.
hands down, banana. It sucked.
Weirdest.
Weirdest, yeah, that's weird. Yeah, the ham flavor, but it's good.
From Josh's perspective.
That's really good too, though.
Yeah.
We should have ate lunch before this.
Wow, I'm hungry.
So next month, clue is shoes.
And coffee? Colombia?
Next month featured country couples a unique geographic position. Man, they typed that so
You want me to read it? Here. Situated partly in Asia and partly in Europe. Oh, maybe Morocco. Throughout its history, it's acted as both a barrier and a bridge between the two countries. Also, this country is responsible for 80% of the world's hazelnut exports.
Oh.
Tulips didn't actually originate in the Netherlands, but they were introduced to Europe by traders from this country. Another interesting fact, Santa Claus was born in this country. Scotland?
I don't know.
I don't know. Santa Claus, huh? We'll have to look that up.
Yep. So, next time, guys, and we'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.